Hello artists, welcome back to Gibs Brush Art, the channel where we create colour and have tons of fun bringing our imagination to life. Today we're going to draw and colour something super cute, a rabbit standing in a radish farm.
Gibs Brush Art.
First, let's draw our adorable rabbit. Start with a soft round shape for the head. Add 2 long ears on top. Make them slightly curved for that extra cuteness. Now, draw a small oval for the body and connect it to the head with a gentle curve. Don't forget those little paws and a fluffy tail at the back. Next, let's create the radish farm. Draw small, round radishes peeking out of the soil. Add some leafy greens on top of each radish. They look like little wavy lines. Surround the rabbit with rows of radishes to make the farm look full and lively. Great job! Now we have our rabbit standing proudly in its radish farm. Let's move on to the fun part. So grab your pencils, markers or brushes and let's get started. Colouring. Now, it's time to bring our rabbit to life with colour. We'll use a light brown shade for the rabbit's fur. Start by gently filling in the ears, head and body. Use smooth, even strokes to keep the colour nice and consistent. For the inside of the ears and the nose, let's use a soft pink to add a touch of sweetness. Don't forget to colour those tiny paws and the fluffy tail too. Now let's add some depth. Use a slightly darker brown to shade around the edges of the rabbit's body and under its ears. This will make our rabbit look more three-dimensional and realistic. And there you have it. A cute little rabbit standing in a vibrant radish farm. You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to share your artwork in the comments below or tag us on social media. We'd love to see your creations. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Gibs Brush Art, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our fun colouring adventures. Until next time, keep creating, keep colouring, and most importantly, keep having fun. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.